I have used Philips Sonicare toothbrushes loyally for at least 20 years at this point. And every once in a while you need a new one. My old one just died after 7 years, and I just got this new one. And I also got one for my son, who is ready to move up to the adult size. Let me show you what's in the box. Pop it open. And of course you get your instruction manual, a free brush head, and it talks about sustainability and how Philips toothbrushes last a long time. And then here is the toothbrush. Now, there is good reason why I always get the simple version, the 4100, and I will get into that in just a moment, but let's open it up. So you get your handle, the primary component. The new ones now come with a USB cord charger, so it's round and you have to plug it into USB for it to work. And then of course it comes with a toothbrush head, your first adult size toothbrush head for the Philips Sonicare. There are other toothbrush head sizes, so you can pick what you want there. But this is the standard size, the C2. So let me tell you why I always get the basic version. You would think that having more of the options would be better, but I think of these Sonicare toothbrushes a lot like I think about microwaves. There's really only a few buttons you'd press in a microwave, and every other button is just more cost and more risk of it breaking down. That's the same with these. There's only one button I want. I want the on-off button, and anytime I've had a Sonicare that's had more buttons on it, it is more prone to breaking on me. So I have reverted back to the basic one because it does everything I need. So let's talk about some of the features that are built into this basic model. This handle has a 14-day battery life, but down at the bottom, if you don't keep it on its charging stand, as I often don't, this will start to blink when you do need to charge it again. Right here, this will blink when it's time to change out your toothbrush head. And on the toothbrush heads, they actually have a blue line here that over time will go white. And when that line is all the way white, that is also a warning that it's time to change your toothbrush head. Now when you press it, it will turn on, and it has a 2-minute smart timer built in, meaning it will beep at you every 30 seconds until it reaches 2 minutes, and then it'll do a final beep and turn off to help you understand how long you should be brushing and give you a reminder to change to each quadrant of your mouth, however you decide to divide up your mouth. But it has a little more than that. Right now, if I press it again, it'll turn off. But if I press it within 2 seconds of turning it on, it will change the intensity. It has 2 intensities. So let me turn it on again. And that actually changed it. It just went down in intensity. I can feel it with my hand. And if I turned it on again, it would stay at the lower intensity. And then I can turn it twice and it'll go to the higher intensity. So quick press twice will change intensities, but once it goes past 2 seconds, the button is only an on-off button. And that's basically it. It is extremely powerful. You don't need to scrub your teeth with this. You can just hold it against your teeth and the vibrations will clean everything off your teeth for you, leaving you with a fresher mouth, reducing your risk of cavities, and making everyone in your house just a little happier at the freshness of your breath. I cannot recommend the Sonicare toothbrushes enough, particularly the simple 1-button Sonicare.